We're here live in Ann Arbor, Michigan for the first of a 7-part series. We're going to explore the most exclusive and popular packages that Skyview Detroit has to offer. And we're going to start today with what we call the Harbor View. The Harbor View is one of the most original and elegant packages that Skyview has to offer. The sunroom and deck combination is designed to give you the best of the indoors and the outdoors. Full visibility through the glass, and when you're ready to step outside in the warmer months, you step right out onto your beautiful new deck. With dozens of these projects scattered across Metro Detroit, Skyview Detroit can confidently say this is an elegant addition to any home. If you think that the Harbor View is the package for you, visit skyviewdetroit.com for more information. And don't forget to tune in for the rest of our 7-part series where we cover our most popular packages at Skyview Detroit, where luxury lives outdoors.